nice.
Yeah, I wish I got that. I didn't know he was going to do that.
Yeah, they got a card.
Amara,
Card good
look
now.
at Grandma.
Feeling that too.
Hi.
What do you got on your feet? What are those? Caden's what?
Aww.
Shoes or flip
Let me
flops?
go one side. What's wrong with the other side? You like it?
I've never put it there. That's why.
You're getting a receding hairline like your dad. I can see it real good with this camera and your head down like
I
that.
Oh, there's my shoe. I knew there was
Taylor,
Forget about washing. She has the washer and the dryer.
Taylor,
Be happy.
pretend like you're happy.
Yeah.
Taylor,
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 T.
sing me a song.
Come sing a Portuguese song with Amara.
Sing me a song.
What?
Sing a song for Grandma.
Come here, Caden.
Oh,
Yes.
please. Oh,
Come here.
please.
Sing the Portuguese song with Amara.
Okay, like Ave, that one. Ave, Ave,
Sing it.
Ave,
Sing it.
she won't sing it. She's embarrassed.
Sing it, Caden.
You sing it.
Ave, Ave Maria, Ave, Ave, Ave Maria.
There we go. Do some more. That was good.
Sing.
Not with the camera, Dad.
Sing. You gonna sing?
Your eyes are so blue. How cuz?
What?
How cuz your eyes are so blue? You're so pretty. How come you're so pretty? Now I can't get you because you're all the way around there. How do I get your daddy?
Mm-mm.
What?
You're going in circles and making me dizzy. Look at here. Look at this. How's that?
Mama.
Who is that? Who is it?
Mama.
Is that Amara?
Yeah.
How come?
What?
How come?
Mama talking.
Is Amara talking?
Yeah.
What did she say?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Daddy.
Your daddy?
Yeah, my daddy.
Oh. She likes that. Who's in there with you?
What?
Is that your dad?
Hi, Amara.
Hey.
How did he do that?
What?
How did he do that?
Just
Cuz?
me do that.
You do that?
Yeah, me do that.
You do that too?
Yeah.
Her eyes are so big. It's like yours.
My mobile house.
Oh. How come? And then you could focus it with it up there. And I didn't know. Fuck. I just found out when I went to Hawaii and I've had it since September. I see your eyes. Yeah, it's not focusing on probably because you're so close. I was going to say far, but not close. Ooh, there it goes better.
Show Grandma your
Where'd you
owie.
go? I can't find
Where's your
you.
owie? Show Grandma your owie.
Where's your owie? What happened?
Right there.
How'd that happen? Now it's fuzzy again 'cause I zoomed it back out. No,
What happened?
there we go. It's on manual focus.
What happened to your eye?
What'd you do? Did you fall down? Did you step on my toe? Ow! Ow!
Grandma, I got it. I got it, Grandma.
What? Did you? Yeah, now it's recording.
No, you have to start training early if you want to become a master. Yeah, one of these days.
Well,
The light's probably too bright, is it?
Hey, can you tune it to the TV so we can record it?
It's already recording, but I'll put it on the TV when we get done, so you guys can watch it. See if it'll get you. Are you still bright enough, or is it too dark?
Dark.
Dark. This is real bright, and then that's a little bit bright. Did it go down? No, it turned off, huh? Here we go. That one's dimmer, ain't it?
Can you see my eye? Can you see my eye? Look at that.
You can, but I can't because it's turned that way. Oh yeah, I can see it. You weirdo. You're such a character.
I gotta turn it to me.
Hey, be careful.
Oh. Oh, sorry.
Look at this thing. Okay. Uh-oh. I'll let you watch yourself be funny.
Take me to that, ooh, yeah, funky town. Ooh, yeah, take me to that, ooh, yeah, funky town.
Well, it's got the red dot. It's
Sexy
recording.
booty. Don't turn it off yet. I want to keep videotaping myself. Anyway, ooh, yeah, take me to
Never seen those.
ooh,
Those
yeah,
are
funky
awesome. I
town.
don't know nothing about nothing.
Ooh, yeah, take me
Watch
to
out,
that,
watch out,
ooh,
you're
yeah,
knocking
funky
over.
Yeah, they're like pretty green.
town.
Shit, right after I got.
I'm trying to roll these up into.
Amara, okay, don't let her get right too close to the road because there's cars and stuff.
Did you know I can climb this high on this tree?
You can.
Watch.
Don't do it right now. Wait till your dad gets out. That way, if you break your arm, I don't have to worry about it.
I've never.
Because Grandma freaks out when stuff like that happens, and your dad would handle it better than I would.
You know what? I can never. I'm just gonna go a little.
What's your brother doing?
Whoa.
What's he doing, Amara? Is he climbing?
I think I can't do this with socks. I need my socks off. No, you can just keep them there and watch. Not take them.
Why do I have to watch him?
Mom, climb on the tree. Come on. Oh, my shoe. What?
You can't climb with flip-flops on. You need climbing shoes like Amara. Amara. Look at Grandma.
The toothache was excruciating pain. I tried the pain pill thing. When does it kick in? I put the orange
Don't do
on.
that.
Ha.
She'll run you.
I love ya, Amara.
Like Caden Scooter?
Say, Amara, Amara, I love ya, Amara. You're only a day away.
Careful.
Uh-oh. She has to put her hands way up here to hang on. Quit cussing. Quit cussing.
What?
Quit cussing.
What?
You heard me. You heard what I said. There's one guy in Hermiston named Dario. He always says that. You heard what I said.
Kept telling everybody.
We don't listen. Smile, Mama. Quit complaining and smile for the camera.
I enjoyed what you said.
We're saying move or something because this is a movie camera.
That's like everybody
How's this? Like your dad. God, so
They
much.
keep telling him that all the time.
Skunk weed.
Stung right up poop out there. She was smoking right in it.
Oh.
We gotta go to Vegas,
There's a
man.
nice stink all day.
What'd he say?
I can't wake up.
Go get your clothes on. Let's go.
Jeremy.
What's that? That
I
hurt?
feel bad. I
He
could
go
have
back
had
at
breakfast
12:30
made,
last
Jeremy.
night. As soon as he passed out, I went to bed.
He wouldn't go to bed because he didn't want me to be with the kids by myself. And he was sitting there like a bump on the log, and I was basically by myself. I got